Let's play a quick game. Imagine you're applying for a mortgage, a car loan, or even just a new credit card. You're excited, confident, maybe even a little smug. Then, BM, you get that dreaded denial. Or worse, you get approved, but with an interest rate that makes your eyes water. Sound familiar? Ever wonder if there was some magic button you could press to just, poof, make your credit score better? Well, today, we're diving into one of those supposed magic buttons, Experian Boost. So, the big question, can Experian Boost actually boost your credit score? Let's break it down. First, what is Experian Boost? Essentially, it's a service offered by Experian, one of the 3 major credit bureaus, that allows you to connect your bank accounts to your Experian credit file. The idea is that Experian will then look at your history of on-time utility and telecom payments, think phone bills, internet, even Netflix, and factor those into your credit score. Now, here's the catch. Traditional credit scores primarily focus on credit card payments and loan repayments. Utility and telecom payments are often overlooked. Experian Boost aims to bridge that gap, giving you credit for those consistent, on-time payments you're already making. Sounds great, right? But does it really work? The answer is, it depends. For some people, absolutely. If you have a thin credit file, meaning you have limited credit history, or if you're someone who consistently pays their utility and telecom bills on time, Experian Boost can provide a noticeable bump. We're talking potentially a few points, maybe even a dozen or more, depending on your individual situation. Why? Because it's adding positive payment history where there might not have been much before. Those consistent payments show lenders you're responsible and reliable, even if you haven't had a lot of traditional credit experience. However, it's not a magic bullet. If you already have a strong credit history with a lot of established credit accounts, the impact of Experian Boost might be minimal. It's like adding a sprinkle of salt to a perfectly seasoned dish. It might enhance it slightly, but it's not going to fundamentally change the flavor. And here's a crucial point. Experian Boost only impacts your Experian score. It doesn't affect your scores with Equifax or TransUnion. So, while it might give you a boost in one area, it won't necessarily translate to improvements across the board. Also, be mindful of any negative information. If you have a history of late payments, even on your utilities, connecting your accounts could actually hurt your score. Experian Boost isn't going to magically erase past mistakes. It's about highlighting positive payment behavior, not hiding negative ones. So, is it worth trying? If you're looking for a quick, relatively easy way to potentially improve your Experian score, especially if you have a thin file, it's definitely worth exploring. It's free, and you can disconnect your accounts at any time. Just remember, it's not a substitute for responsible credit management. It's a tool, not a fix. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and build a solid credit history over time. That's the real magic formula. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.